morning, everyone. It is that time again. Today is October 7th, and we're going to go ahead and set up a menu for this week. Let's see here. It's going to be, let's have the most trouble with this. Ten 7/2018 through 10/14/2018, and we're doing today's menu or this week's menu. Things that I want to try out this week, I'm doing basically dry goods. So this is anything dry storage because I have moved locations again, and I don't want to buy anything refrigerated or cold storage right now, unless I'm doing it daily. So what I am going to try is Hamburger Helper meals this week. So I want to do Hamburger Helper. Excuse me, Hamburger Helper. That is the funniest thing. I don't care though. So for Hamburger Helper, I'm going to need a hamburger. Let's see. Maybe I should do it as the second line, I think. Go back. Anyway, that's implied. Hamburger Helper. For the second week, I'm going to do a Tuna Helper. This is going to be like, I don't know. Again, I'm on a budget, so everything I eat is to be as cost effective as possible so that I buy my meat by the day and I don't have to worry about cold storage right now. So I'm doing it that way. So it's Hamburger Helper, Tuna Helper. I'm going to do, I don't think I want to actually do tacos because I'm not really fond of like tacos or whatever. I'm going to do salad. So I'm going to do Cesar salad one night, because I do like Cesar salad. Hamburger Helper, Tuna Helper, Cesar salad. And these are like dinner plans only. So Hamburger Helper, Tuna Helper, Cesar salad. I think I'm going to do like hot dogs and chips. I always do one night where I get chips or whatever. So hot dogs and chips. Cesar, hot dogs and chips. So Friday night pizza night. Pizza. So pizza night. I can't think hardly. That makes me smile. You'll find out why later. Anyway, so pizza night. Saturday night is probably going to be like, I'm just saying veg out now because I want to like, I don't know what I want to do. I might just eat junk food or eat Subway. Subs. Subway night, yum. And then Sunday dinner night with a dessert. Dessert. So that's what we have. We have 7 meals for 7 days. Hamburger Helper, Tuna Helper, Cesar salad, hot dogs and chips, pizza night, Subway night, Sunday dinner with the dessert. So that's going to be my special aprons meal. So I'm not decided as of yet what I'm going to get. I always decide when I'm at the grocery store what is going to be my dinner and dessert for that day. So either way, the list is all made. Everything is good to go. Let's check back here. No extra annotations or like decorations or anything. We just want to go ahead and save that in here. Voila. Now I don't have one of these yet. I just wanted to explore the app a little bit. Let's go back to the main page. For me right now, I don't have transportation, so they have grocery delivery, and I just want to see if this is available in Florida. I don't know if it is or not, so I just want to explore this option a little bit. It's called the Instacart, or it's powered by Instacart. Oh, they have an app. Let's see, I sound so basic on this, but I just want to see how it works out. It's free delivery for 14 days with Express. We'll move up. Let's see if it's... There we go. There we go. Alright, so as of right now, they do not have Publix delivery here in my area. Walmart takes 24 hours, so I've basically been shopping ease of convenience when getting groceries for a person with no transportation. And this is the easiest one with the delivery, but it's not available in our area yet. So we're going to leave that out. Oh, and this is basically where you can install the app. And then it takes you to Play Store, so you can do that, but I don't need it as of right now. Y'all know I gotta get my coffee now. They have so many new flavors. Spice mocha, these look yum. Chocolate hazelnut vanilla bean latte. All of those are good. Frozen bean, I'm gonna have to look those up. But my favorite is pumpkin spice. And look, oh my god, I had to grab some of these Starbucks. Yum. But the other ones that they have over here, okay. See, hearty spice. And see, hearty spice. And then the pumpkin spice latte. But I don't have a Keurig, so it like does me no good at all to get these. But I like them. So we're like in my favorite section of Walmart or any kind of store, right? The foreign food section, right? So you know what they say, if it ain't foreign, it's boring. Look at all of this stuff. I love Thai noodles. Look, yum. Oh my gosh, I'm starving. It makes me hungry. Look, pho broth. Like, if you made ramen noodles with that, would that be good? Or rice noodles, Vietnamese inspired pho beef broth. Like, I want to try that so bad, but I'm on a budget. So I don't want to splurge. It's like, oh my God, yes. Anyways, I calm down. Look, Japanese style ramen noodles, see? Love. Anyway, I'm in love, y'all. I'm in love. But look, this is what I wanted to try. You think this would be good with beef and broccoli? Korean barbecue beef. It's good, right? Dang. When you're walking through the store and you can't help but stop at something like this and it's $5, you know you really miss being a full-time mom. That is so awesome. Look, they got old cups and everything. I think I seen on the other side where they had trays. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just discovered I'm not going home so quick. I bought my groceries and I'm not going home so quick. So I'm going to do a little haul for y'all right quick. This is my little stash. Now I'm supposed to be shopping for the week and I went a little bit overboard. Let me scoot up close to here. So as you know, I love Nora sides. I got 2 packs of these creamy pesto and creamy garlic shells. I have a 6-pack of Sprite, which is my favorite, salt and pepper, because I am kind of camping out. Chocolate chip cookies, because those are my favorite. And I got to feed my pumpkin spice fetish. I got some pumpkin spice creamers, pumpkin pie frosted flakes, some mix and blend Gevalia coffee, cold brew coffee, because I love coffee. And you mix it half water, half of the mix or whatever. It makes 8 ice drinks, 8 iced coffees, and you put pumpkin spice in it and make it better. I got some cookie straws by pumpkin spice, or pumpkin spice flavored. I got some Spam luncheon loaf, a Caesar salad, some hot dogs and Pringles and bread for hot dogs and chip night, some fruit cups for when I'm hungry, some Tuna Helper for Tuna Helper night, some Hamburger Helper behind the Tuna Helper, some mac and cheese for when I want to snack on the go, some rice-a-roni sides, because I will eat rice. If I can like buy meat by the day, I'll eat rice-a-roni. I got 4 boxes of that. Instant grits so I can eat them right away. I have soup because I like soup, so I got some loaded potato soup and some cream potato soup. A snack to try, which is some bacon flavored seaweed, which I've never eaten before in my life. Anyway, these are sour cream and onion flavored Pringles, Hawaiian punch juice mix drink, strawberry or mixed fruit Omo packages. This is like $75 worth of groceries, and it really, like, if you look at it this way, it's not that much groceries, and you see where I'm at, right? But it's enough. So yeah, I'm not going home so quickly. I got some mayo just in case I want to make some tuna, but I am going home eventually. Buses and all that jazz. Either way, transportation, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching my haul today. I also got me a 24-pack of water as someone hit our water filtration system here. So we're not in the storm, but we are selling our water like hotcakes because we can't drink the city water anymore. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my little haul. I'm outside listening to the rain because it's raining today. Y'all have a nice one, all right? Bye.